Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is solve the following equation and check your result. And the given equation is x is equal to 4 upon 5 into x plus 10. So guys, let us see how we can solve the given equation and how we can check our result. Question has given us this equation. Question has given us this equation. X is equal to 4 upon 5 into x plus 10. Question has given us this equation. X is equal to 4 upon 5 into x plus 10. And question is asking us to do two things. One is solve the equation. Question is asking us to do two things. One is solve the equation and the other part is check the result. Question is asking us to do two things. One is solve the equation and the other part is check the result. So guys, let us see how we can solve this equation and then how we can check the result. Now the given equation is x is equal to 4 upon 5 into x plus 10. This is what being given as the equation, or this is what the question has given us. Or I can write x is equal to 4 upon 5 into x is 4x by 5 plus 4 into 10 is 40 by 5. So what I am doing here, guys, I am just multiplying this 4 upon 5 with x plus 10. I am just multiplying this 4 upon 5 to x plus 10. Now what I got 4x divided by 5 plus 40 divided by 5. This is what I got here. Or I can write x minus 4x divided by 5 is equal to 40 divided by 5. What I am doing here, I have just moved this 4x upon 5 to left side of the equation. That means transposing plus 4x divided by 5 from left hand side to right hand side. That means transposing this plus 4x divided by 5 from left hand side to right hand side. So as a result we got x minus 4x divided by 5 is equal to 40. Hope guys I am very clear till here. So what we got? We got x minus 4x divided by 5 is equal to 40 by 5. Or I can write x means x divided by 1 or x upon 1. X upon 1 minus 4x upon 5 is equal to 40 divided by 5. What I did here, just instead of only x, I wrote it as x divided by 1 here in this step. Or I can write now, here you could see that we have a denominator of 5. Here you could see that we have a denominator of 5. And here we have a denominator of 1. Now our idea is to make this denominator 1 as 5. Our idea is to convert this 1 into 5. How we can convert? We need to multiply this 1 with 5. As we need to multiply the denominator 1 with 5, we need to multiply the numerator x with 5 also. Because we very well know that if we are multiplying something to the numerator or denominator, we should also do the same thing to the numerator or denominator. So for that reason, we should also multiply 5 to the numerator. That means x into 5 is equal to 1 into 5 minus 1 into 5 minus 4x divided by 5 is equal to 40 divided by 5. Hope guys I am very clear till here. Or I can write 5x divided by 5 is equal minus 4x divided by 5 is equal to 40 divided by 5. So what we got? We got 5x upon 5 minus 4x upon 5 is equal to 40 upon 5. Or I can write 5x minus 4x upon 5, because now 5 became our LCM, is equal to 40 upon 5. So what we got here? We got 5x minus 4x divided by 5 is equal to 40 divided by 5. Or 5x minus 4x is 1x, or simply x I can write. X divided by 5 is equal to 40 divided by 5. So what we got? We get x divided by 5 is equal to 40 divided by 5. Or I can write x divided by 5 into 5 is equal to 40 divided by 5 into 5. What I am doing here? Multiplying. What I am doing here? Multiplying both sides by 5. Why I am multiplying both sides by 5? In order to eliminate this 5 from the denominator, I need to multiply the left hand side of the equation with 5. So if I am multiplying something to the left side of the equation, I should also do the same thing to the right side of the equation. So for that reason, I am multiplying both the side of the equation by 5. Or I can write x is equal to 40. How 40? This 5 cancels out. Here also right hand side this 5 and this 5 cancels out. We got the value of x. As 40. So this is our first part of the question. What we got? We got x is equal to 40. Now let us look into the second part of the question. Second part of the question is asking us to check the result. Now how we will do the check? Let us rewrite the given equation. The given equation was, or the given equation is, x is equal to 4 upon 5 into x plus 10. This is what the given equation is. Now let us pick up the left hand side of the equation. The left hand side of the equation is only x, and we got the value of x is equal to 40. So we got the value of x as 40. That means the left side of the equation is 40. Now let us pick up the right hand side of the equation. The right hand side of the equation is 4 divided by 5 into x plus 10. The right hand side of the equation is 4 divided by 5 into x plus 10. Or that is equal to, I can write 4 divided by 5 into 40 plus 10. Just replacing the value of x with 40. How 40? We got 40 here in this line. So just replacing the value of x with 40. Or that is equal to 4 divided by 5 into 50. How 50? This 40 plus 10 is 50. Or that is equal to, I can write 4 into 10. How 10? 5 10s are 50. So we got 4 into 10. That is equal to 40 we got. Now what we got? You could see that the left side of the equation we got 40. The right side of the equation also we got 40. That means both the sides are equal. So we can write our concluding answer saying that thus left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence this is verified. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. Just we need to solve the given equation and then we need to verify our answer. But guys, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.